see, this is something very different from my old content. It's been a while since I've done the last vlog. The last vlog was about a year ago, back when I did my 1 year video with the car. And now it's been a little over 2 years. And today I just basically want to go over what's changed with the car, where I've been at, why I haven't done vlogs in a while, and where the channel's going to be going for the future. Since my last vlog, I've always been active on there, and if you guys do want to keep up better with things that I've been doing with film, with things I've been doing with photography as well, I'm always posting on Instagram more than a few times a week, so I would recommend checking out my Instagram and staying up to date over there. And to keep up to date with what's been going on with the car, so actually since last year, there hasn't been too many changes. The only major change, and you guys might be able to hear this, is that I've changed my catback. And I didn't mention this in the 1 year video. I did want to change to a single exit. I didn't end up going with the Gretty, but I ended up going with something else that I think actually might be better and something I prefer, which is the Tomei TI Type 80. Now, this exhaust is similar to the Gretty. It's a 3-inch single exit, but the one that I have is the TI, which is the titanium version. And I think it's one of the best exhaust notes for this car, and I've really been loving it. Really loud, really aggressive, especially with the unequal length headers and the cat delete. Really been enjoying it. Now, in terms of where the channel's going for the future, I do want to do more POV content. And I think something that I struggled with before with using my camera, and still even using the GoPros as well, is that I struggled to kind of make content and kind of, like, I wanted to make content and work on the car at the same time. And I felt like I struggled to do that just because it was hard for me to focus on working on the car and filming at the same time. It was kind of difficult for me to try and figure out. I think the GoPro head mount is really going to help me with that. I'm going to be able to work on the car, talk, and be able to do things at the same time that, you know, I'm filming. I won't have to worry about holding the camera. I'll have the camera on my head, and you guys can get like a POV type of thing. More content that I also want to do is just driving content. I think is a really big thing, and it's kind of like I wouldn't say a new thing, but something that's really been kind of had a little bit of a development on YouTube for the past few years, and it's something that I want to take a shot at myself. There's a lot of great roads in the Northeast, and my plan is to try and, you know, maybe as things progress, hit some more cool roads and stuff in some areas that I know, places like Kankamongus Highway and stuff like that, and just kind of enjoy myself and just make some more content on YouTube, because I feel like, especially with my 1 year vlog the past few months, it has done really well. And I kind of noticed that. I'm like, I really want to make more content for YouTube, considering how well that video has done recently in the past few months. So that basically explains where I've been for the past few months. And right now, I'm just basically just gonna do a little bit more driving and let you guys get some kind of just raw audio of just some fun. excited to see where this takes me. And this new idea of doing like POV content and stuff has really got me excited to really hop back into YouTube and stuff. And I remind you guys to leave a like, subscribe. It really does help out when you guys like and subscribe and stuff. People say that all the time, but it really does help. I encourage you guys to follow my Instagram because I'm always active on there. If you really want to keep up to date with the progress on the build and what I'm doing, I highly recommend following my Instagram. I'm always active. And that'll do it for today. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Things aren't that simple.